Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create 3D art with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To start, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a prompt field where your 3D art ideas come to life. For instance, imagine craft a 3D art piece that envisions a futuristic cityscape with towering skyscrapers, advanced transportation systems, and innovative architecture. You can even add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, witness the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your 3D masterpiece is complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It is as simple as that. Your imagination comes to life with just a prompt. Dive into a world of limitless creativity and craft captivating 3D art with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.